Welcome back. This is Open Exchange, and we are coming to you live from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal newsroom. Well, plenty to talk about, but before we get to the pre-open rates, let's get in Manoj Murlidharan. He's joining in to give us some derivative strategies. Morning, Manoj. How do you see things shape up? Most of the voices that we got earlier today are suggesting an extension on the upside. Are you in that camp?
Good morning, Nigel. Nigel, when we saw the rollovers happening from Feb to March, it was primarily short rollovers. We all know that almost a good 83-84%, even on the FI desk, they were shorting it. But then eventually, if you see the open interest in the Nifty, it went up to almost 1.25 odd crores. And then eventually we saw the short covering coming in. And yesterday, for the first time, though less, but yes, 4.5% of fresh long positions have been formed. So at least one cycle is over, is what we believe, at least from the short side. But that does not necessarily give you a momentum at every day. But then we believe 17,700 to 730 on the future is a good level. We can go long on the spot. I'm sorry, that would be a good level to go long, because we are expecting the resistance to be closer to 17,850. Because I second Anuj on that, he was looking at the 17,800 strike call option, and we believe that might still hold as a resistance for today's trade, and the expiry on spot basis can be closer to 17,730 to 750. So buying closer to 700 to 730 for a target of 820 should be the trade for intraday specifically. But having said this, for this series of March, there is a possibility that the Nifty might extend all the way to 18,100. That happens to be the previous resistance. But the support for this entire long positional trade would be somewhere close to 17,550.
What about individual stocks?
Stock specific, we like NTPC. That's a stock for the month as well. We believe the stock might rally all the way to 188, but buying it closer to 175 to 76 seems prudent at this point of time, even with the cash-based buying or maybe stock futures. The second stock that we like is Ramco Cement. Has seen fresh long build-up in yesterday's trade, and a follow-up buying might come in today as well. The target should be somewhere close to a 760 on that, and we believe 738 to 740 is a good level to buy that. The stop loss should be 745 on the stock.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Manoj. Have a good day. By the way, the pre-opening rates have now settled a tad bit higher. The Nifty is up almost about 8 odd points. Adani Enterprises up about 2%. Bharti Airtel, there was a very aggressive target price of 1,000 rupee plus from CLSA on Bharti Airtel. So that's the big mover, up 1.5% right now. And Tata Steel, Adani Ports, Apollo Hospitals are a couple of other stocks are looking good. But let's get straight to our Momentumizer segment. Mangalam is here to tell us what's on his list. Mangalam, over to you.
Good morning. So the stock that I'm watching out for today is DB Realty, not something